Alright, robot, here's the situation. This here is pump 1 of this hot tub I'm trying to revive. The problem is suspected to be the capacitor here that I'm going to replace. The story is that the symptoms are that this thing would start up and would heat for about 2 hours and then give me a low flow light. And the interpretation of that is that even after I replace the controller and even after I replace the actual keypad monitoring system, control system, this thing is still not heating up properly. It gets me up to about 99 degrees and calls it good. Now, I asked GPT about this whole thing, and it seemed to think that the capacitor was behind this cover here, and the answer is that it was not. I got bad advice from AI, so let that be a lesson to everybody. Hopefully I got this thing all back together properly. It was kind of hard to do that. The tool here is a 1/4 inch, not metric. This thing here is made in the Canada or France or someplace. Anyway, I'm going to try to replace this now. The protocol is I've got 2 connectors. It doesn't matter which one's positive or negative. I'm just going to swap it out and call it good. Alright, there we go. This thing goes here. Cover goes on it. These are my little nuts that I'm going to put in here. They're bolts, rather. I guess they're bolts, aren't they? All the bolts on this motor are 1/4 inch. I guess they're screws conceptually. And that's all there is to it. Now the further question comes up, did I make a mistake to replace the controller? If all that was actually wrong with it is this thing right here. And the answer to that is, we're about to find that out. I'm at peace since I actually didn't have to hire a technician to do all this stuff. Because I'm just that good. Oops. That's it. I declare bueno. Now let's see what happens.